Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to view web and app usage in Time Doctor. So if you have the app opened up, you can just come here on the left-hand panel, click on Dashboard. It will open up a dashboard like this. And once the dashboard is opened up, I want you to come here, the top menu, click on Reports. You'll get a drop down, okay? And then from here, you'll see the second last option, web and app usage. I want you to click on this, okay? And this will actually show you charts, right? The trends right here. So you'll see green, red colors on here that you can view. This one's still loading. But here you can also filter this. So here you can see the productive websites, apps. You can see the users. You can choose the productive users first. You can even click on that user and see exactly what they were doing, what websites and apps they have been using. So as you can see, today I used, Discord, 2 minutes unproductive, and 1 minute of Time Doctor. If I click on this, you can see exactly where I had been going on Time Doctor as well. Okay, and that is how to view web and app usage in Time Doctor.